Every time change happens, or even just thinking about change, I tense up. Is there a way I can feel calm about change?
Choose to experience change in a controlled environment, such as a trust walk.
How will that help?
You will let yourself be guided around a room with your eyes closed for 60 seconds. As each second passes, you will feel safer and more confident in yourself and your ability to trust. After the trust walk, your body will still remember those feelings of safety and the unknown, helping you feel confident as you face change out in the world.
Oh, cool. I'm a little nervous, but this also sounds really fun.
It is, and it's even more fun to experience this in community.
Let's invite our friends. Hey, friends.
Will you join us for a trust walk?
I heard that's one of the main things we do in the Practicing Receptivity workshop.